Seen doctors like this.
Are they doctors or friends?
We're doctor friends.
Last time, I explained why you shouldn't ignore snoring, and I got tons of comments asking how to fix it.
Need surgery.
As an ENT, I'm hesitant, but surgery's success rate isn't that high yet.
So satisfaction isn't good.
Snoring isn't simply from a structural issue, but sure, a narrowed airway can be structural, but recent studies say weakened airway muscles cause this a lot.
So it's not the structure, but weak muscles.
Don't we just exercise? Exercise. In 2012, they studied orchestra oboe players who blow hard and build strong muscles. They barely snore at all because their muscles are so firm. That strength keeps their airway open. They got an idea and found exercise-based therapy can match or outperform others. I studied it and want to share. It's not hard, really simple. Let's try it. First, open your mouth slightly. Make an R sound. Don't just say it. Feel your tongue drop down.
Super easy, right?
Do a short ah about 10 times. Good, that's our warm-up. Now place your tongue behind your front teeth.
Right there too.
This is for Dr. Wu. Isn't your tongue really long? I think it's super long. Looks a bit odd though. Is your mouth cramped? Why is it sticking out so much? Right, so the tip is on your front teeth like this. You curled the back of your tongue.
Your tongue is kind of big.
So the tip's right on your front teeth now, right? Keep that feel. This is your tongue, these are your teeth. Slide your tongue along the roof like this.
No sound, just like...
Feel the tension in your tongue.
Right? It tickles when I rub it.
Yeah, about here. My palate's really ticklish.
Well, guess it's sensitive.
Feels tight. Does it hurt?
Where does it feel tight?
Right here under my tongue.
Is that because your tongue's long?
Probably just weak.
You might snore. If it really hurts doing this, that's not good. Yeah, when he sleeps. Now that I think of it, your tongue stuck out earlier. A thick tongue means more snoring. You didn't know? Need to strengthen those muscles more.
So this helps prevent snoring too, right?
Wes, I'm showing you the easiest steps first. Next, try sticking your tongue out once like this.
Then go side to side.
Like this. Not too far.
Basic tongue exercise.
Tongue muscles matter a lot. Because when you snore,
The tongue should get pushed back.
this exercise keeps it in position. You're doing great. He seems off though, right?
Is this legit?
Feels like I'm forcing something heavy to move. Stick your tongue out as far as possible like this. Don't push it all the way, it might look weird. But next, really extend it. Stick it out as far as you can. Dr. Wu, you're pretty good. Now lower your tongue once.
That movement.
Apparently helps a lot with mouth snoring. I'll just do it alone. Wes, if you're on a bus or subway, it might look weird. People may stare.
They might think you're just taunting them.
So do it at home. There's a less awkward exercise using your lips too. Like doing this, or looks like a smile, putting on lipstick.
You know, that sort of thing.
These. They say these also help. Then your mouth. Put it together.
And it helps. Can't we just play both?
But not everyone can play that. How about a simple fluid recorder? Those might be tough. So there's another exercise I recommend. Something easier, blowing balloons. These say it really helps because the pressure's stronger than you think. That pressure helps with snoring, apparently. If that's too tricky, just blowing balloons is a big help.
Just basic balloons?
Like this.
Blow with maximum pressure. I heard I snore a bit when I drink too.
That's because alcohol relaxes your muscles, which is normal. We also snore more when exhausted.
When we're tired.
If your body's not well, muscles weaken and you snore more. So if they say he's tired, he's snoring, it's medically true.
Could you summarize the exercises again? We'll follow along.
Sure, let's go. Make sure it sounds Put your tongue behind your front teeth. Rub the roof, then push your tongue forward. Side to side.
Repeat that. You're not doing it.
I'm talking so I can't.
This isn't a hidden camera prank, is it?
No, it's not. Lower your tongue as far as you can like this. Dr. Wu definitely gets it. He's not sticking it out fully, there's still some left.
It was that long before, now it's not showing.
There's still a bunch, Matt.
Does it come out like a Marvel character?
I think you could, but you're not.
It's DC.
Pucker your lips. Like applying lipstick. Make them face each other. Yes, that's the exercise. It really helps. It's a proven treatment with high satisfaction and success. If you do this for about 10 minutes a day, you'll see real improvement. 10 minutes is perfect for a subway ride.
Oh.
But wearing a mask, right? How would you even do that? That's extreme, it'll get all damp. That's going overboard. Anyway, do your best. Everyone keep at it. Sure. Thank you. You watched till now, so you must have enjoyed it. In that case, subscribe. Button. Related videos are here. We dream of 1 million subs, so your support really helps. Let's get to 1 million.